Good morning, 8th grade. We're sitting in my basement and we're going to play a little bit of flashlight games this morning. If you'll recall from our unit of study in astronomy when we looked at light on the ceiling. And so we're going to kind of repeat that demonstration here this morning. And so I'll do the best that I can with the camera. And so we want to examine how using a flashlight I can change the shape of a spot of light on the ceiling. And so just take a look. This is kind of difficult to capture on the camera, but we'll see what we can do. So right now you can see the spot of light on the ceiling. I'm holding the flashlight at a perpendicular angle, so the light is striking the ceiling at a 90-degree angle. However, where is it at? There's the wall. Now I'm doing my darndest. You can see that the spot has changed and I am no longer holding the flashlight perpendicular to the ceiling. It's a pretty low angle. It's certainly less than 45 degrees, and so you can see that the spot has changed. You should use this demonstration to respond to the angle of light document. I believe it's notebook sheet number 20 that I'm attaching to today's work. Hoo hoo ha 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 ha. This next demonstration is a little bit more challenging, simply because I need a heat source, particularly from a light. Unfortunately nowadays, well, it's a mixed bag, I suppose. Most light bulbs are designed to reduce the amount of thermal energy that they give off as a cost savings method, and it just prevents the room from heating up so much. And so I've had to choose some lights down here in our study basement area that they're probably the warmest ones that we have in the house. And so what I've got is I've got a globe, and it's got some temperature strips on it, and these strips will change color as their temperature changes. And so you can see, since we looked at latitude on Friday, you can see that I've got these strips placed at different latitudes. This, where's it at? This one here happens to be at the equator. This one's probably at about 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and then 60 degrees north latitude. I've also got one way down here in the bottom in the southern hemisphere that's at 30 degrees south latitude. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it up to the light that's on the ceiling. It's a little bit challenging, and we'll see if there is any color change and whether or not that is evenly distributed, or if some parts of the globe are faster to change temperature than others. And so when I hold this up, I'm going to put it directly so that the angle of light strikes the equator at a 90-degree angle, as it does the Earth and the Sun, to try to model what's going on. Where is it at? There we go. I don't know if you can see this real good or not. I'm doing my best. It looks like the equatorial strip has changed colors. Here it goes. You can see that has changed color. It looks like part of the other one has started to change color as well. The one to the north, not doing a very good job of holding this up there. It's pretty tough. But if you look real quick, you can see that thermal energy was not evenly distributed. So take a look at the notes, take a look at the solar angle diagram to see if you can figure out what's going on. Good luck today, guys. Thanks.